Why do smart people keep making dumb money choices? You'd think earning more would fix everything, but somehow it doesn't. If you've ever wondered why you struggle with money even when you know better. Today we're unpacking the real reason behind your bad money habits. And trust us, it has less to do with your wallet and more to do with your mind. Let's start with the emotional trap no one likes to admit. You're not buying things, you're buying feelings. Stressful day? You treat yourself. Feeling sad? A little online shopping won't hurt, except it does. Because that dopamine hit fades fast, but your credit card bill won't. This is called emotional spending, and it's one of the most common money mistakes out there. It feels good now, but it sabotages you later. Next up, your money mindset isn't yours, it's inherited. If you grew up watching your parents stress about bills, live paycheck to paycheck, or argue about money, you were conditioned to think that chaos is normal. Some people develop a scarcity mindset thinking, I better spend it before it disappears. Others avoid money completely because it reminds them of pain, shame, or fear. What you learned as a kid shows up in your bank account as an adult. Here's a cold, hard truth. Your brain is wired to mess up your finances. It's built for survival, not spreadsheets. You chase instant gratification, you want the reward now, you believe future you will figure it out later. That's called optimism bias. You compare yourself to people online, not realizing they're in debt too. And you keep doing what's familiar, even if it's wrecking your life, because that's what your brain knows best. If this is making you rethink your money habits, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and join us here at Money Always. Get free bonus at end of the video. We break down financial psychology, smart money moves, and the hidden opportunities in today's economy. Don't miss out. This is where your mindset meets your money. Another silent killer? Low financial self-esteem. You tell yourself, I'm just bad with money, and your actions follow that belief. You avoid looking at your bank account. You never learned how to budget. And because you feel overwhelmed, you do nothing. This is called learned helplessness. It's not that you're incapable, it's that no one showed you how to take control. You're not just fighting your emotions or your past. You're fighting society. Every scroll through social media screams, you should be richer by now. So what do? You spend to catch up. You buy things to look successful, even if it's drowning you in debt. This is how the system wins. It convinces you that consumption, true happiness. And every time you buy into that lie, you trade your freedom for a flex. Most people were never taught how money works. Not in school, not at home, not anywhere. You wouldn't blame someone for not knowing physics if they were never taught, so why blame yourself for not knowing how to budget, invest, or get out of debt? The truth is, financial education isn't just missing, it's intentionally left out, because educated people are harder to manipulate. So if you're still stuck in bad money habits, it's not because you're lazy, it's because your emotions, upbringing, psychology, and environment are working against you. And unless you change the way you think, you'll never change the way you spend. Here's what actually works. Start tracking your spending, not to restrict you, but to understand yourself. Replace emotional spending with emotional awareness. Use automation so you don't rely on willpower. Set small, achievable money goals. And if you've got trauma around money, deal with it. Therapy is not weakness, it's strategy. Because once you fix the mindset, the money will follow. If you found this helpful, don't just scroll past. Share this with someone who needs it. And if you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button and join Money Always. We're here to help you master your finances from the inside out. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's never just about the money. It's about the person you become in the process. Lastly, remember to claim your bonus in the first link of the description, Broke to Boss. Inside this bonus show you step 1 to begin your financial freedom journey. Most people fail by overthinking instead of overdoing. Act now.